happening. But what pierced me most is speaking to the media. She speaks about a sum of money that the minister says he's going to be spending on the market. I don't know about that. And what I'm gathering from what she has said is that though it is the Manchester Municipal Corporation's responsibility, she has to be begging the minister for money to fix our market. I just want to state for the record that it's not so. I can go back as far as about 2011, 2012, somewhere there, when we here, or who were here, yes, when we did that study and we made the recommendation and the files went as far as the IDB. Yes. And from our minister that is here took over in 2007, we have not seen anything happening to those plans for the market. I think he has shared the plan. But 5 consecutive estimates have been sent to the minister. He came and toured the market twice with us, looking at the areas, and the minister in talking to the media promised so many things to the market that, especially in Arcade, where we have some shops giving some problem, that he would find some funds, because the fact is that we have not been getting any capital aid funds to look at our facilities. And up to most recently, after the hurricane, we send estimate to the minister because there are some areas that are damaged. And to date, the minister doesn't even have, I wouldn't want to even say, the manners to write back to us and say he's considering it or he's doing something about it. But only to hear that the Member of Parliament announcing that a substantial sum. I don't know what is a substantial sum. And I don't know how much it is, and I don't know what areas of the market will be looked after. But you know, I don't want the politicians, except the municipal corporation, to politicize our market operations and our operations of the council. We're not trying to buy any stripes or trying to be going to life. The people of Manchester deserve better than persons who are selling their wares and selling their foods in the markets. I'm not only talking about Mandeville Market, but Christian Market. And for years now, we have been begging and asking for money to just help us to put some things together.